In this short video, we're going to have a look at the clearout.io integration with platform.ly. So, in your Platformly account, you'll click your profile drop-down and then you'll click on integrations, which will take you to a section like this. You'll find it under monitoring. Now, what Clearout allows you to do, if we have a look at their website, is it allows you to validate email addresses to make sure that they're not honeypots or going to hard bounce. So this allows you to improve your email deliverability by removing those email addresses that would hard bounce and ruin your email sending score and your email reputation, and basically reduce your results and hurt your email deliverability for all of your emails. So it's very important to potentially use a service like Email-less Verify or Clearout. So if I click here, all you have to do is you'll have the ability to input an API token. So if you go to clearout.io, or Email-less Verify is the other service we currently support, and you sign into your account and you click on the API section, you'll then be able to get your API token and you'll paste it in here, and then you'll connect it and test the connection, as I've already done. So then once you've done that, let's have a quick look at how this works. So the first thing you want to do is you want to choose the project that you're going to go from. So in this case, I'm just going to use Project X, which is one of our test projects. And then you can choose contacts that are in certain segments, or you can choose all contacts. So in this case, let's just go with the other Project X. Okay, so here we see it's got 12 contacts. Based on these lists, you can select it and it'll show you how many. So we're going to send these 12 contacts to be checked. And here's a very cool addition that we added as well, and you'll also find that in Email-less Verify. If you click Automate It, you can send these contacts based on your filter above to go and get run at certain periods of time. So you can say every 3 months or monthly, for example. If you choose this, then every month it's going to send it and it's going to remove those dead ones. Or you might want to say every 3 months, for example. And then however many contacts you have based on the filters, it'll then send them off, and then they'll come back and you won't be emailing to dead emails. So in this case, I'm not going to automate it. I'm just going to leave it as these 12 to show you, and I'm going to click Save and Run Now, and then I'm going to confirm it. And what happens is it'll say, we've sent these emails for checking, so give it a bit of time to run the process. We say a few hours, but in all actuality, it happens in a few minutes. And then click on the History tab to see your results. So if we come back up to the top here and we click on History, we'll see that it's busy loading it here. And it's in the preparation phase, so it's busy sending the 12 emails. And then we'll be able to hit refresh, and it will then process these and show the clean and the failed ones, as you can see in this one below. So that's how you use it, and also how you can automate it. I hope that this helps, and now you can start hitting inboxes consistently and not wasting your email send on hard bounces or honeypots.